Hypothermia can happen to anyone, especially if they're in the cold temperatures for too long, and it's important to know what to look for as this can be life-threatening. Someone with mild hypothermia is going to be shivering and complaining of the cold, and they also may have numb fingers and toes. With moderate hypothermia, you're going to see a lack of coordination, impaired judgment, and speech. Somebody with severe hypothermia is going to stop shivering and stop complaining of the cold. They're also going to have a lack of coordination and act very impaired and have trouble speaking, and also make sure to look out for a glassy stare. There are a couple of things you can do if you see someone with these symptoms. For severe hypothermia, make sure you call 911. You should get them out of the cold environment and into somewhere warm and dry, and if they have any wet clothing, that needs to be removed and replaced with dry clothes. Make sure you cover them up with blankets and cover them all the way up from their neck to their feet. Remember not to rub arms and legs, as we want to warm somebody up slowly and gently. Make sure to keep the person awake and monitor their breathing. If they're awake, they can take small sips of warm liquid. For more tips on how to treat hypothermia, you can visit our website at redcross.ca.